and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool anime video edit on CapCut PC. So just copy and paste your video like so. Then you are going to go to effects and you're going to go to video effects. Once I've loaded the resources, I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, there we go. Then go to the comic effect and add in the neon effect to that. Go back to media and add in any color of your choice, like an image. Go to blend mode and select a linear burn. Go to effects again, and you are going to select the lens and you're going to add an edge glow as well to it, like so. And then you can add in like a filter to just make it a little bit more pink, but like behind the neon one, if you want to. It doesn't does kind of quite make a difference, but it doesn't make a whole lot of difference, so I'm not going to use it. Then you can also go to effects and go to light effect and add in an angel one, which is here, but just make it like kind of like glow just a little bit. Select everything, right click, and then select create compound clip except for this layer. Go to blend mode and select screen or brighten, whichever works best. And then to make the video black and white, select your video, go to adjustments and select brightness and adjust it. And also put down the saturation to -50. So that the rest is in black and white, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.